Welcome. Today we are continuing with History Paper 1, Section C, 30 marks. Answer any two questions in this section. Question 22A. Identify 5 elements of a good citizenship in Kenya. Respect for other people, obedience to the law of the country, participation in development projects, patriotic to one's country, participation in electoral processes, practicing integrity when performing duties, reporting the lawbreakers to the authorities, efficient use of national resources. Question 22B. Explain 5 ways in which the Harambee philosophy has promoted the development of education in Kenya since independence. 10 marks. 1. Many education institutions have been constructed using funds raised through Harambee efforts, thus enabling many children to attend school. 2. Many students have been assisted to pay school fees, thus enabling the needy to go on with learning. 3. Physical facilities have been constructed through Harambee, thus enabling learning in a conducive environment. 4. Teaching learning materials have been purchased to schools to improve the quality of education. 5. Additional staff in schools have been paid through Harambee contributions from parents to offset the inadequacy. 6. Through the Harambee spirit, co-curricular activities have been supported by well-wishers, thus helping the learners to exploit their talents. Question 23A. Apart from High Court, identify 5 other types of courts in Kenya. The Court of Appeal, the Magistrate Court, the Supreme Court, Court Martial, Kadhi Court, and Tribunal Courts. Question 23B. Explain 5 reasons as to why there should be a separation of powers between legislature, executive, and judiciary in Kenya. 10 marks. 1. In order to make the coordination of government programs and administration. 2. To enable the government to facilitate division of labor. 3. To enable prevent abuse of power. 4. It promotes efficient service delivery. 5. It is a constitutional requirement. 6. To enhance accountability. 7. It promotes transparency in government dealings. 8. It ensures that no harm of government interferes with the other. Question 24A. List 5 importance of national integration in Kenya. 5 marks. Enhances conditions favorable for peace and prosperity. Promotes national unity. Promotes the achievement of rapid economic and development. 4. Eliminates and reduces intercommunity conflicts and suspicions. 5. Enhances nationalism and patriotism. 6. Creates favorable investment conditions that attracts foreign investment. Question B. Explain 5 factors that promote national unity in Kenya. 1. The Constitution provides for equality of all Kenyans before the law. 2. Most public schools in Kenya follow the same curriculum whose content emphasizes national cohesion. 3. The government attempts to provide social amenities to Kenyans without bias. 4. The government encourages social, economic interaction among Kenyans, for example, through marriage, worship, and trade. 5. Use of common languages. Kiswahili and English enables Kenyans to interact freely. 6. The national philosophies. 7. National currency. 8. Government institutions, for example, judiciary, legislature, and executive serve all citizens equally. 9. National days and events, for example, Jamhuri Day, Madaraka Day. 10. Presidency is a sign of national unity. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.